In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI to learn your research field with Perplexity AI. First, let's open a web browser and head over to Google. This is a great starting point for any online search and will help you quickly find what you're looking for. Once on Google's homepage, move over to the search bar. Here, you'll want to type in the word Perplexity. This will direct us to the specific AI tool we're going to explore today, which is designed to enhance your research capabilities. Press Enter or click Search to see the results. Now, from the search results, find the official website of Perplexity AI and click on the link. This will take you directly to their homepage. Perplexity AI is an advanced system that processes and finds complex information in a streamlined way, and today, I'll guide you on how to make the most out of it for your research needs. Once you're on the Perplexity AI homepage, look for the Research button. This feature is central to today's lesson because it allows you to dive into your research topics more thoroughly using AI capabilities. Click on this button to proceed to the research section of the Perplexity AI platform. Now comes the fun part, crafting your research prompt. For this example, we're going to use sustainable urban planning using smart sensors and IoT. This step is crucial as the quality and specificity of your prompt directly impacts the results you'll receive. Think of your prompt as a question or a statement you want insight on, which should be clear and focused to ensure the best results. After writing your prompt, you'll notice a Submit button. Go ahead and click this button to initiate the AI's research process. The AI will then work to gather and synthesize information related to your topic, providing you with valuable insights. This is a powerful way to quickly gather relevant information and save time in your research process. Throughout the process, it's important to keep an open mind about the results you'll get. The AI is efficient at examining multiple sources and presenting an overview, but it's always wise to cross-reference and ensure the information aligns with credible sources. Always consider the AI's findings as a supplementary tool along with your traditional research methods. Now that we've gone through these steps, you should have a better understanding of how to efficiently use Perplexity AI for exploring and learning more about your research fields. Remember, this tool can be a great asset in enhancing your research workflow by delivering data-driven insights with ease. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to leave your thoughts and comments about how this tool has helped you, and stay tuned for more informative content.